big boss bass, and you work for me. This is my rock, these are my weeds. You can drag your crankbait right in front of my face. Take your presentations to some other place. You can read your magazines and watch TV. Listen to the experts tell you how to catch me. Bring your equipment, bring all your stuff. I'm the fattest, the meanest, I'm smart and I'm tough. I'm the big boss bass, and you work for me. This is my lake, leave me be. If you're thinking about catching this $1 million fish on your next birthday, blow out the candle, make a wish. You can read your magazines and watch TV. Listen to the experts tell you how to catch me. Bring your equipment, go on, bring all your stuff. 'Cause I'm the fattest, the meanest, I'm bad and I'm tough. I'm the big boss bass. Trying, keep on hoping and keep on crying, keep on praying for a little bit of luck. No matter what you do, it's still not enough. I'm the big boss bass, and you work for me. I'm the big boss bass, and you work for me. I'm the big boss bass, work for me.